The Pigeon and the Net. Once there lived a flock of pigeons on a tree. They went to a distant field for food every morning. One day they saw a lot of grain and rice on the ground from above. Some pigeons asked their chief to fly to the ground. The leader did not agree. He said that the hunter might have set his net with the grain to catch them. The pigeons said that the chief's fears were false. The chief had to agree and flew down together with other pigeons. As they all landed, suddenly they were all caught in a trap set by the hunter. Now, with no option left, the pigeons once again asked for the chief's advice. The chief now advised them to use all their force, pull the net up and fly with it. This time they followed Chief's advice, and they all were saved. Moral of the story: union is strength. Always pay heed to elders' advice.
Question time. Where were the pigeons flying to? 1. To the mall. 2. To the feast. 3. To search their food. Where did the pigeons lie?
1. On the tree. 2. In the swimming pool. 3. In the beach.
Word bank. Flock means a number of birds traveling together. Advice means guidance. Distant means far off. Thank you. Search for new videos. Like and subscribe. Bye bye. The end.